In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Yahoo email settings. Whether you're looking to personalize your inbox or enhance your email security, adjusting settings is a straightforward process. Let's dive in. First, open up your preferred web browser and go to Yahoo Mail. You'll need to sign in with your account credentials to access your email dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Yahoo Mail page. Now let's move on to accessing your settings. Take a look at the top right corner of the screen and you should see a gear icon. This is the settings button. When you click on this icon, a quick settings menu will appear. However, for us to make the most of what Yahoo offers, we'll need more than just the basics. To delve deeper into your settings, navigate to the bottom of the quick settings menu. There, you'll see an option labeled More Settings. Clicking on this will open the full settings page, where you have a broader array of options to fine-tune your email experience. Once inside the full settings menu, you'll notice several categories you can customize. Let's go through them briefly. In the mailboxes section, you'll have the ability to add, remove, or edit your Yahoo accounts and any linked accounts. This is particularly useful if you manage multiple email addresses and want to keep everything streamlined in one place. Next, in the notifications area, you can control your desktop and email alerts. Adjust these settings to manage how and when you'd like to be notified about new emails, ensuring you stay on top of important communications without interruptions when you don't need them. The writing email section allows you to choose your preferred font, default sending address, signature, and email formatting. For example, if you want to add a personal touch using an email signature, just head over to the signature option and type in your details. In viewing email, you can set how your inbox is displayed. Options include adjusting the inbox spacing, showing message previews, and grouping emails by conversation, providing you with a clean, organized view that suits your preferences. Filters offer powerful tools for sorting your emails automatically. If you want to filter emails from newsletters, for instance, you can easily set up a new filter to direct those messages to a specific folder, keeping your primary inbox uncluttered. Finally, explore the security and privacy settings to manage blocked addresses and bolster your account protections. And if you're planning some time away, the vacation response feature is handy for setting up an auto reply message. Most of the changes here save automatically, so there's no need to hit a save button. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, simply close the settings tab to return to your inbox. With these personalized settings, you're all set to enjoy a more tailored Yahoo Mail experience.